The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is anticipated to be the highest-end model in the Xiaomi 17 series when it finally launches. The Xiaomi 17 Pro and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max are two of the most unusual flagship releases in recent years thanks to their large secondary displays. Harking back to the Mi 11 Ultra, the Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra that Xiaomi offers globally, just like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and smaller Xiaomi 15 before it. Xiaomi 17 Ultra brings some crazy hardware this time. Main sensor 50MP 1-inch new sensor from SmartSense. 50MP ultra-wide Samsung JN5. Periscope camera 50MP JN5 plus 200MP Samsung HPE. It's a dual telephoto solution like on Pura 80 Ultra. One past rumor claimed it would sport a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and symmetrical bezels on all sides, bezels which will be thinner than any iPhones. DCS stated that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will have two versions, and while both will have camera setups with the same sensor and lens technologies, the higher-end model will come with some revolutionary imaging features. Also expected to hit the market in early 2026 with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.